Okay, let's go through the analysis of finding the profit maximizing quantity by solving for profit levels associated with various levels of output. And so in this case, what we're going to see is that we have different levels of output, 1 through 5 units. And we have total revenue, which is always just calculated as price times quantity. So in this case, the market price is $6. And we multiply it by the associated quantity. At the second level of production, we take that $6 price and multiply it by 2 units. And so moving on to total cost, what we find is that total cost is made up of fixed cost plus variable costs. And in this production process, fixed cost is just a flat $3. And we add that on to the variable cost function, in this case 2q plus q squared. And so what this means is that everywhere we see a q, we just plug in the associated rows quantity. So 3 minus 2, let's just be clear about, times 1, that happens because of this quantity at this level of production, and 1 squared. And so at the first unit produced, our total cost is $2. We'll do that one more time. 3 minus 2 times 2 plus 2 squared, and we get 1 for our second total cost level. I'm just going to scoot this line over so we have a little more space. And at 3 units produced, we get a total cost of $3. At 4 units, we get a total cost of $6. At 4 units produced, $11, and at 5 units produced, $18. We'll continue to just 24, fill out the total revenue numbers, and all these really are dollars. So this represents the total revenue brought into the firm from selling products, and this represents the total cost, the expenditure that went out the door as a result of selling these products. And so now our job is just to put it together. So profit is always calculated as total revenue minus total cost. So I'm going to flip around. So in this case, all we're going to do is take our numbers, the 6 minus 2, the 6 total revenue associated with 1 sale, minus the $2 we spent to produce it, and we're going to go down the line at $12 of total revenue minus the $1 to produce it, and we get a profit at the second level of production of $9. And we're just going to go down the line. Okay, we've got a total profit at each level of production. And then our job is basically just to look for the quantity that maximizes profit. And in this case, it looks like at 3 units produced, things got a little bit, at 4 units produced, right here, at this line of production, profit is maximized. So 4 is the profit maximizing quantity, and profit is greater than or equal to 0, so we do indeed produce. And so that gives you one analysis of how to find the profit maximizing quantity directly by calculating profit at every single production level. We can also find it by setting marginal cost equal to marginal revenue, which we'll do in the next video.